Hello, this is Prophetic Creative Therapy by Pelu. Are you an adult? Are you a children? Are you a parent with special needs? Are you lethargic? Do you want to get fun? Do you want to come together to get connect and express yourself? Do you need help? Are you going through trauma and you needed some help to go through your struggles? Well, you'll find a right place. From July onwards, I'm going to have a 5th series workshops that is going to start each second Saturday and 4th Saturday. And there will be 3 sessions with different times given for different time zones. So check it out from the slides, or you can go to peluchong.ministry, my Facebook page, to register or check out the details from Eventbrite or YouTube, Peluchong, Piluchhoong, and also Eventbrite to find out the details. And if you're interested, register from there. And then email me, let me know how many days you like to join and if you want to come with your children. So bonus tips is you will have a discount if you join more than 2 days. And if you are parents with special needs, or if your parents come with your children, you will have discounts for that. So come and find out the details. You will be able to learn to share in confidence and have some self-help skill knowledge, some motivation, some encouragement words, and some creative effect that using others' apps for your arts. Besides, you will get more friends and learn to share about your arts. So I will also have each Tuesday 20 minutes of live with different topics of table talk. So come and join me.